Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making Christmas ornaments using these Dollar Tree tags. Starting with my favorite ones, using these galvanized tags. 3 come in a pack. Now for the words, there's different things you can use. You can add some of the Dollar Tree stickers, the rub-on transfers that they have, or if you have a Cricut, you can use your Cricut. I will be using this rub-on transfer pack that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it has these 3 words, which I felt like they were perfect for these tags. For the first tag, I will be using the word joy, which I will be adding at the bottom of the tag. And to add something on there, I will be using the Dollar Tree vinyl, which I will be making a small little tree. Now you can use the Dollar Tree little wood ones to like trace it. Or what I did is I made half of the tree, folded the vinyl and cut it so then the other side will be the same as the other side. Hopefully that made sense. But yeah, that is what I did. And this is how the tree looks. Now I'm going to add it to the tag, then add the word joy underneath it. And look how cute this looks. Now I'm going to add some of the Dollar Tree beads, and using the same jute twine, I will be making the hanger. To finish it off, I will be adding a bow. Now Dollar Tree does carry buffalo check ribbon, but I ran out, so I went to Hobby Lobby. I picked this up, which is $1.99, but when you find it for 50% off, it is only $1. And look how cute and small this is. And that is it for this beautiful joy Christmas ornament. For this next ornament, I will be using the word peace, and I'm using this snowflake that comes from a window cling pack, which I got from Walmart. I used some Mod Podge to glue the snowflake. I will be repeating the same thing, adding 3 beads and a bow, and look how cute this one turned out. For my next ornament, I will be using the word love, and using the Dollar Tree vinyl, I did a heart, and that is it for this one. For my next set of ornaments, I will be using these Dollar Tree tags, which honestly I thought they were going to be thicker. They are kind of thin, but I think these are perfect because you get 6 for $1.25. For these ornaments, I will be using this Dollar Tree buffalo check vinyl. Now I'm going to add a piece to the bottom of this ornament. I felt like the top part of the vinyl blended in a lot, So I will be adding some jute twine. For this ornament, I decided to use my Cricut. Now, like I did mention earlier, you can use the Dollar Tree stickers or the rub-on transfers. I'll have the font name down in the description box. After I'm done adding the word Santa using the same jute twine, I will be making a bow, adding a bow, and then adding some of the Dollar Tree beads, but this time I'm adding one. These already come painted. It's a little pack of white. And that is it for this ornament. Look how cute this one turned out. I did another ornament exactly like this one. Instead of adding Santa, this one says believe. For my next project, I could have used my Cricut, but I decided not to. Instead, I decided to use this little deer head wood cutout that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like 49 cents or 79 cents, something like that. But I did trace it. Now, I know this is way too big, but I just added whatever fitted in the circle. I cut the rest off, which it doesn't look so bad. Now I'm going to add some of the Dollar Tree greenery and then adding a jute twine bow. And that is it for this ornament. Look how cute this one turned out. For this next ornament, I will be making a tree using the same vinyl. For this one, I'm going to repeat the same thing I did with the last one. Add the tree, some greenery, and a bow. But this time, this greenery is going to be using this garland, which I got from Hobby Lobby. The last thing I will be adding is a bead, and that is it. Look how cute this ornament turned out. For these next two ornaments, I will be using these window clings. This right here is from Walmart. I actually have a video on window cling hacks, so I'll have a link down in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. I added one snowflake to each ornament. I then made a bow using this beautiful ribbon. The last thing I did was add a bead, and that is it for these two ornaments. They were so easy and simple to do. For my next ornaments, I will be using these tags. These are like the circle tags, but these are different shape. For this pair, I will be adding Merry Christmas, and I did use my Cricut for this one. For these, I'm only adding these bows and the beads, and that is it. Look how cute this one's turned out. For this next ornament, I will be using the same vinyl, but this time I decided to trace this tree. I know it doesn't fit, but I am going to make it just a little bit thinner. I was going to say tinner, but thinner. So here I'm going to show you that you can't use greenery, but I decided not to. Instead, I just added a jute twine bow and a bead, and that is it for this one. This was so simple and easy to do. For this next project, I will be making like a gift. So I'm using the Hobby Lobby ribbon and I'm going to make like a cross. Using some Dollar Tree greenery, I'm going to add some to the center of the eggs. I will be making a bow using the same ribbon and adding it on the center. And that is it. Look how cute this turned out. For my last two ornaments, I will be using the Dollar Tree white vinyl. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to add some of the ribbon more towards the bottom, making a bow and adding the bow. For this tree, I used the Dollar Tree white vinyl, like I said. As you can see, it came out a little wonky, but I still think it turned out beautiful. For my next ornament, what I did is I traced the deer head into the Dollar Tree white vinyl. Now this one was almost big enough to fit on the tag. I just cut a little bit off the bottom and I folded the antlers at the top. To finish it off, I will be making a bow, adding that and the bead, and that is it. That is it for these quick and easy Dollar Tree ornaments using the Dollar Tree tags. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.